3-minute video titled How to Invest $1,000. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest $1,000. It only takes 5 minutes. Step 1. Set a goal first. Are you investing this $1,000 for short-term gains, long-term growth, or passive income? Your goal will determine what percentage of your $1,000 you put into each investment. Step 2. Build a safety net. If you don't have an emergency fund, consider putting part of that $1,000 into a high-yield savings account that earns you at least 4% interest. Step 3. Diversify your investment. Don't put all your money in one place. Here's an example of how you could invest $1,000. You would take $400 and invest it into index funds or ETFs. These are the building blocks of your portfolio. A good starting point would be an S&P 500 fund. You would then take $200 and invest it into fractional shares of blue-chip stocks. Blue chips are generally large companies with a history of strong performance and profitability. Some examples include Apple, Google, and Microsoft. If you're eligible, you would take $200 and invest it into a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account that allows you to invest and grow your money tax-free. Next, you would take $100 and invest it into crypto. This is optional since crypto is still considered a high-risk investment. A good place to start would be Bitcoin or Ethereum. Lastly, you would take $100 and invest it into self-education. This could be books, a course, or even coaching. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Step 4. Think long-term. Don't day trade or try to chase quick flips unless you're experienced. True wealth is built with patience and consistency over time. Step 5. Reinvest and repeat. Let your returns grow. Add more when you can. $1,000 is a great start, but it's not the finish line. So, there you have it, guys. That's how you invest $1,000. Remember to follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to financial success in no time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time.